This video tutorial explains how to download and install AnyGantt Extension in Qlik Sense server. You can request AnyGantt Extension for Qlik at qlik.anychart.com. Please note that you should fill in all fields in the request form. The download link to AnyChart archive will be sent to your email address. To install AnyGantt, launch extensions on the QMC Start page or from the Start drop-down menu to display the overview. Click Import in the action bar. The Import Extension File dialog opens. Select the archive you downloaded. Click Open in the File Explorer window. Leave the password area blank and click Import. When you work with Qlik Sense server, AnyGantt Extension with the project and resource charts will be there. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the product, visit qlik.anychart.com.